the channel. Today, we're going to create an app using AI. It is so simple, it's going to blow your mind. If you're already a subscriber, you would know that I've already done loads of videos on AI, so feel free to check those out if you haven't watched the channel before. So without further ado, let's get started. There's two places where we're going to be creating our apps on, and that's Google AI Studio and Base44 Hub. But the thing is, we're going to be typing in the same prompt on both videos. So, without further ado, let's get on. Okay, so now that we've got our prompt ready, let's ask it to build it for us. Okay, so if you can see here, it's creating the code. So, my prompt is help me design a simple number guessing game app. The game should generate a random number between 1 and 100 and give hints like too high or too low, track attempts and show a win message with a score. Make the UI colourful and simple to play. Okay, so now that it's got it ready for us, this is all the coding, it's amazing. If we tap on it, we can see the actual language of it. This is, I think it's retail or something, I don't know. Okay, let's close this quick so we can see that. There we go. Okay, so we have to enter a guess between 1 and 100. We're not actually doing this for the game, we're doing it for the experience. So let's just type in a random number, 50. Too low, try a higher number. Okay, usually you can try 90. No, it's too high. 70. Oh, come on. 60. No. This is. Nope, it's not 54. 57. That's so. Oh, what? Okay, so I've already got 6 attempts. So, this is the number we're trying to guess is obviously very hard. So, 50, finally. So I guessed it with 7 attempts. So this gives a conclusion that the app was clearly very good. But will it beat Base44 Hub's expectation? Let's see. Okay, let's go on to Base44. Oh, we've already got the prompt. That's good. Okay, let's build it. It's just loading for some time. Okay, so my prompt is help me design. What? Okay. I actually haven't been on this before, so I have no idea how it works. So my prompt is help me design a simple number guessing game app. The game should generate a random number between 1 and 100, give hints like too high and too low and stuff like that. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, while we're giving Base44 Hubs its time, unlike Google AI Studio, which is way faster, I just want to talk about how the code works. So basically, we type in the prompt, and it readies and it tries to understand the prompt and creates loads of coding for us, and then comes up with a simple app. It's not too complex like the apps you use every day, like in Play Store and stuff. These apps are simply like a mock app or something. So it's not like a really advanced app. You have to put loads of prompts for that. Okay, so now as it's ready, it's guess the number. I'm thinking of a number between 1 and 100. Okay, so the same as Google AI Studio. It's got attempts. And it's got its guess section. Okay, let's put our guess in, which is 50 again. Ooh, it says it's way too high. This is actually good because it's being a bit more specific than Google AI Studio. So it means it's way too high, so it's off the chart. Way too high. Might come down. Huh? Come on, bro. Almost. Go lower. I think it's 3. Phew. I was like, maybe it's glitching or something. I didn't actually think that would work. Okay, so as you can see, that is a very good example of a number guessing game. So Base44 Hub's done a very good job. You can use this website to create loads of apps. Try it out and let me know in the comments.
Well, that's the end of the video. I hope you liked the video and remember to like, subscribe and hit that bell button.